Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of keyless entry remote replacements, specifically tailored for Nissan vehicles like the Altima, Versa, and Sentra. Now, if you've ever found yourself in need of a new key fob, you know it can be a hassle to find the right one. Well, worry no more because we've got you covered with the Magic Smart Key Fob Remote Replacement. Let's talk quality first. This keyless entry remote isn't just any old replacement. It's been meticulously pre-tested by professional locksmith tools to ensure top-notch performance. Plus, each fob comes fully equipped with a battery and electronics, so you can say goodbye to any additional setup hassle. Compatibility is key, pun intended. This remote is designed to work seamlessly with Nissan vehicles from 2019 to 2022, including the Altima, Versa, and Sentra models. Just double-check the compatibility list in the product description to ensure it's a perfect match for your ride. Now, onto the nitty-gritty, programming. While this key fob comes ready to program, it's essential to enlist the help of a qualified locksmith or dealership to get everything set up correctly. Remember, safety first, and let's not forget about the unboxing experience. Inside the package, you'll find one shiny new keyless entry proximity key fob, complete with all the necessary electronics and battery pre-installed. It's 100% brand new and ready to program right out of the box. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality key fob replacement for your Nissan Altima, Versa, or Sentra, look no further than the Magic Smart Key Fob Remote Replacement. With its top-notch quality, seamless compatibility, and hassle-free setup, it's a must-have accessory for any Nissan owner. So why wait? Upgrade your key fob experience today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.